For the disassembly and installation of the J-series shear pump, first remove the middle seat protection nut. And then remove the pump cover gland nut. When removing the gland nut, you need to hold the gland by hand to prevent the gland from falling off. Remove the gland. Use an Allen key to insert the slot of the main shaft. Remove the impeller nut. Take out the impeller. Remove the impeller mounting pin. Use wrench to remove the screw connecting the pump casing and the middle seat. Remove the pump casing. When removing the pump casing, dispose of lightly to prevent the machine seal inside the pump casing from breaking. Take out the moving ring and static ring in the pump casing. Finally, take out the O-ring on the main shaft. When installing the J-series shear pump, first you need to install the O-ring on the static ring. The single machine sealing ring only needs to install one O-ring, installed on the sealing surface side of the static ring. The two machine seal needs to install two O-rings and install on both sides of the static ring. Then install one end of the static ring on the bottom of the pump casing. Gently put the static ring into the pump casing. Install the pump casing on the middle seat. At this time, you need to take it lightly to prevent the static ring from breaking. Lock the connecting screw between the middle seat and the pump casing. Then install the moving ring. When installing the moving ring, first place the wave spring into the bottom of the moving ring gland below the moving ring gland pin. Place the O-ring in the slot of the moving ring gland. The ring is gently pressed into the movable ring gland. At this time, the moving ring gland pin needs to be aligned with the slot of the moving ring. The sealed surface of the moving ring and the static ring must be wiped clean with a dust-free cloth. Install the main shaft O-ring. Install the moving ring. Place the impeller pin at the slot of the main shaft. Then install the rotor. Then lock the rotor with impeller nut. Install the O-ring on the rotor nut. Lock the rotor. We need to ensure the distance between the rotor and the bottom of the pump casing. We will use a table to describe its specific values. When installing the stator, observe whether the stator steel is damaged. Lock the gland nut. And then install the middle seat protection net in the middle seat position. The J-series shear pump is installed.